This is CS5 main unit, great and clear screen. The body is very textured, with good cable material. Front and rear cameras with extension cables, f 1.3 RFT, r 2.6 FT, GPS. Camera bracket, host bracket. ACC power cable, connected to motorcycle battery use. Light shield, block the hard light. Wired controller. USB test cable 0.5 米 1.6 FT, front and rear tire pressure sensors. Cable clip. Cable ties for fixing cables. Protective film. Screwdriver. Choose the appropriate gasket according to the handlebar. Use a wrench to loosen the bracket. Remove the gasket and insert the Z-shaped bracket into the gasket. Put it back into the bracket and tighten the screws with a wrench. Use a wrench to loosen the bracket. Connect the bracket to the spherical bracket on the host. Install the previously installed bracket onto it. Tighten with a wrench. The bracket can adjust the angle freely. After adjusting the angle, tighten the bracket with a wrench. Put on the gasket. Put the rubber sleeve on the lens, install the rim bracket, insert the gasket into the base, screw the bracket, insert the metal screw into the screw, install the nut. Tighten and fix it with a wrench, and assemble it with SIAM glue. Take out the wet wipes from step E. Wipe the dust off the screen. Take out the dry wipes from step R. Dry the screen. Tear off the protective film. Stick it on the screen. Squeeze out the bubbles. Tear off the protective film on the other side. Installation completed.